Looking to stay on top of your Instagram privacy settings without digging through everything you've ever changed? I'll show you how to filter your account history so you only see privacy-related updates. Start by opening the Instagram app and heading to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. This takes you to your personal page where all your account settings and options are accessible. Next, tap the three-line menu icon in the top right corner to open the main navigation. From there, select your activity. This is where Instagram keeps a detailed log of all your interactions and changes on the app. Scroll down and tap on Account History. Here you'll find a chronological list of every change you've made, things like username edits, bio updates, password changes, and more. Instead of scrolling through everything, look at the top of the screen and tap Filter by Update Type. A list will pop up with various categories of changes. From that list, choose Privacy and then tap Apply. Instagram will now show you only the changes related to your privacy settings. This could include switching your account between public and private, adjusting message controls, or tweaking who can see your stories. If this helped you better manage your settings, consider following for more simple guides like this. Thanks for watching.